Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a healthy pan-seared salmon and we're serving it with yellow rice, zucchini, and yellow squash. The first thing we're doing is rinsing the salmon. We don't know how many people touched that salmon before we got it. And we're gonna dry it with paper towels really well. Then we are going to add a little bit of olive oil in this case, and we're gonna rub it really well with that. Then we're gonna add just salt and pepper. You know, the star of the dish is the salmon, so you don't want to put a bunch of other stuff in there. Just salt and pepper on both sides, and we're gonna let it sit there for a couple of minutes. By now, the pan should be warm. You know, it's been heating on medium for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna put the skin first, and we're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. We want the salmon to be crunchy on the outside and to be perfectly cooked on the inside. Once we turn the salmon, I pressed it a little bit for about 30 seconds actually on top because the middle part is thicker and I want the heat to come all the way up. Meanwhile, I put the zucchini for 1 minute in the microwave, and when it's done, I put some aluminum paper and we will finish cooking right there. Then I put the other the salmon on the side and cook it for 2 minutes on each side, and the fish is ready. It will continue to cook as you're serving it. It will continue to cook. Thanks for all the likes. It is crunchy outside and it's perfectly cooked inside. Thank you for all the likes, for sharing, for the comments. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. And as you know, the ingredients and the recipe is in the box below.